This is a Richard Baker monotype, and he's been associated with Provincetown for a long time. You can see in here the texture of a woodcut within the carving of the tulips here and around the leaves. And he was able to use this motif in a number of different manifestations. So using the same woodcut block with different variable inkings, he created a range of images that, although they're differing, they kind of hang together in a way. Here's a kind of a close-up of one of the areas where you see with monotype and monoprint, you have a real ability to create a kind of a patina in the work. So you've got this kind of, it's kind of a hybrid of painting and printmaking. These are two Joan Snyder prints, and there ended up being, I think, 33 of these. So when you get in, you can kind of see this very deep lines that she carved into the plate of wood. And the wood is usually a birch or a luan. And by carving into the wood, you can also create this line that you can fill with ink. And in a way, it becomes like a really, almost like a deep, deep etching line that sits up on the surface of the paper. This is a Melissa Meyer print, and these are watercolor monotypes. This is also a technique which we'll be working with, where you paint with watercolor on a piece of kind of textured film, and it gets run through the press. And it also develops a kind of a ghost image on the plate that you can kind of refresh with new ink and create many different kinds of transparencies that kind of would generate a whole series.